One of the worries when it gets like this is slipping and sliding on roads and streets and walkways.
Yeah, no question about it. 13 ABC's Melissa Vage has more on that. Staying safe when the winter weather does come in.
Lee and Diane, it's not necessarily the volume of snow that we get sometimes. It's negotiating the snow and the ice as we go to and from our car and in parking lots. This is a specially designed simulator out here at the BP refinery in Oregon. It trains workers how to walk in the snow and ice without falling and causing injury.
This was designed by research to understand what happens to the body in a fall.
Chris Connolly is the head safety training expert here at the BP refinery in Oregon. One of his jobs is to train workers here how to avoid falling in slick and snow-covered conditions, something news crews could use as well as we cover the weather.
You guys are subjected to whether or not they've cleaned the roads, they've salted.
Simulation starts with specially designed shoe covers. So this actually makes it slippery.
Correct. That, in addition to the mixture that we're going to put on the glass tile, create a very slick surface.
That mixture is soapy water. Next, you're fitted with a safety harness.
What I want you to do, right, is your normal walk, right? Whether you're walking down the hallway, you're walking to a meeting, you're at home, whatever.
That's not bad.
It's not bad.
Problem is, that's not my normal walk. This is how I normally walk.
See?
Back to step one. Don't look down.
Keep your eyes above your shoulder, your head straight, your eyes scanning the walking surface. And we want to keep as much weight on your feet as possible, right? More weight, maximum surface, the less likely that you're going to slip.
It feels awkward, but at least you stay upright, even with the common distractions like carrying a cup of coffee and texting. Adding in common obstacles like a curb.
It's hard to get in all those areas between the vehicles and plow and salt.
Making parking lots particularly dangerous.
Once I get up to that obstacle, right, I want to stop, right, feet together, regain your composure, take on the obstacle, regain your composure, and then start walking.
You might just want to put the coffee down. Adding more distractions like carrying a shoulder bag, like a purse or briefcase, they all throw off your center of balance and put you at risk for slipping. Without a lot of concentration, this would have happened a lot more. In Oregon, Melissa Vage, 13 ABC Action News.
It's a great training center. We recommend not drinking coffee and texting even on
carrying a bag of tools
when there's not ice, right?
Good advice.
All right, well, so still to come.